Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to do k-means clustering on color and grayscale images on Python. First of all, include these libraries. Now, we will write our main function. In this main function, first of all, we will read the image. Then, we will define how many clusters of color are required. And then we will put that image and number of clusters into another function. From that function, we will receive a clustered image. Finally, we will save this. After everything, we will write an input line so that our program will not close automatically when it executes everything. Now, we will write the k-means function, as we are going to write this program compatible for both color and grayscale image. So, we will find out if our image is grayscale, we will reshape from one channel. And if the image is color, we will reshape from 3 channels. In order to calculate the clusters, we need to convert our data into float data type. Then, we will define the accuracy criteria and maximum number of iterations. Here, maximum number of iterations is 10 and accuracy criteria is 1. Now, we will use an OpenCV function and input our defined parameters. after getting the labels and other results from this function. Now, we will convert our float data type to unsigned integer type. Then, this unsigned integer will be reshaped, same as the input image. Finally, we will return this clustered image to our main function. At the end, we will run our program for testing. First, we will try the color image. Here is the result of color clustered image. Now, we will also try the grayscale image. And here is the result for grayscale image. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.